In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a GIF in a Notion cover. Let's dive right in. First, we need to ensure that we have our favorite Notion page open and ready to customize. Notion is a fantastic productivity tool that allows for ample creativity and personalization, so adding a GIF can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your page. With your Notion page in front of you, the next task is to prepare your chosen GIF. This might mean browsing the internet or your personal library to find a GIF that suits your page's theme or your personal project style. Once you've found the perfect GIF, the key step is to copy the correct code necessary for embedding. Now you might be wondering, what kind of code do I need? It's quite simple. Typically, this will involve copying the URL or an embed code, depending on the source of your GIF. Make sure your link is suitable for embedding, which usually means it should end in a typical image format like .gif. Once you've confirmed that you have the right code or URL, it's time to head back to Notion. With your Notion page open, you'll need to navigate to the section where you can embed content. In most cases, this involves clicking around the top of your Notion page where you can adjust the cover. Hover over the cover area, and you should notice an option to change or edit. Click on this, and within the menu options, look for something that says Link or Embed Link. This is where you will paste the code you copied previously. As you paste your GIF URL into the designated field, Notion will automatically recognize the file type, and your GIF should appear beautifully in your cover section. If all goes well, and trust me, it usually does, you should now see an animated, lively GIF serving as a cover to your page, adding that extra touch of dynamism and personality. Remember, this process can vary slightly depending on your internet browser or the specific version of Notion you are using, but generally, these steps should guide you smoothly through. Also, keep in mind to utilize a reliable source for your GIFs to ensure that the links remain valid. This way, your GIFs will continue to display without any hitches. Before we wrap up, feel free to experiment. Notion is a versatile platform that embraces customization. By adding more interactive elements like GIFs, you can tailor your workspace to better motivate and inspire you every day. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that your Notion pages now look even more amazing. Thanks for watching.